Part 2. That video was getting too long. I gotta do another one. So we went through and showed you one side of the garden. So here's the other side. Look at this. See how big these are? And they're really green. So you can tell that these are really young. So they got lots more developing to do. Let me come on this other side of the garden. I'll have to post these two videos together because I didn't want it to be too long, so I cut it. Here's another row of new green beans. These are garlic plants. There's garlic at the bottom here. I was just pulling up some weeds and one of them came out. Let me show you. So these are garlic here. And this is called elephant garlic. They're way bigger than the other regular garlic that you'll ever see. And this is one more of my callaloo plant here from Jamaica. And you just cut them off like this, strip them, steam it, and then this piece will keep growing up new branch, and you keep doing the same thing, and you can harvest off them over and over and over. But this piece, I have a seed on it. I should have cut it before, but I didn't, so that piece get cut down and let it stay there and right back to the soil. Okay, so here we go. We got a few green pepper here. These are really young. Here's another pepper plant. You see these beans are taking over the place. Look at this plant. This one has a lot on it. As you can see, it's loaded. So these two are no good. Those are young ones that didn't make it. Probably the plant has too much on them. As you can see, it's loaded. It's a really good little plant. Here we go. There's more. These are all Pinot. Yep. Those are all Pinot. Here's another green one. Pepper. Hidden under there on the plant. Here we have some banana pepper. You see those long ones? That's what they call them. And there we go. We got more. More of those banana pepper. See? Get the leaf out of the way. See, yep. And more tomato. These tomatoes are nice. I like these. Oh shit. Which is the yellow one. So I got two of the yellow ones. I kind of like them more than the other ones. So with your gardening, guys, you do an organic gardening, you want to put everything that can rot. These are more jalapeno. Everything that can rot. More green pepper. This one didn't make it. You want to put them in, put it in your garden, let it rot. Go back to your soil, build it up. Worms, you need worms. Okay, look at these green beans. This is all my other trees used to be, bush used to be full with green beans. So yes, you want to put everything that can rot in there. Worms, what I did for worms when I go fish, I bring back all my worms that I left over and throw them in my garden. So now I have a lot of worms. These are more peppers. I got a lot of big night crawler in the garden. And they help with your soil to for ventilation for your soil, so that the soil can breathe and so that the oxygen go through your soil and your plant root stem can go deep. Here we go again. We got more tomatoes, more of the beets, more tomatoes. It's insane. I'm gonna have to give away a lot of this. More tomatoes. So I lose one tomato plant from here. This one here doesn't look too good. Guess there was a bigger one in here, but it had blight. I had to pull it out and remove it from the garden so the rest didn't pick up on it. So yes, guys, this is my garden. My garden is 38 feet 8 inches long and 16 feet across. So 38